Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the Enjin wallet on your phone and manage your NFTs. So let's get started. So the first thing we'll do is get the Enjin wallet downloaded and installed on our phone. You can go to CoinGecko and look up Enjin, and then they have a link to their website. I'll also put a link to this website down in the description below. All right, we'll just hit get started here. Okay. Yeah, we're going to do the wallet. Well, the first one is for developers. All right, we're just going to download the wallet. I'm on an iPhone, so I'll use the App Store. All right, there's the Enjin blockchain wallet. I'll just go ahead and click the get there. Download this wallet to my phone. All right, and I'll go ahead and launch it for the first time. I'll allow notifications. All right, so we're going to hit crypto wallet here. We're going to create our wallet, right? It's the first time we've done this. So we're going to hit create. Now there's a lot of terms you're going to need to agree to. Quite a few. It seems endless. Let's hit I agree. Okay, you're going to set a password. Don't forget this password. Okay, you want to make sure that you remember this password, write it down or save it in your password manager, whatever you need to do so that you don't forget this password. They'll probably give us a recovery phrase in case we forget the password, but it's a pain to do a recover, so I would it's easier to remember your password. All right, it gives you a few of the major coins here. I'll go ahead and add Binance coin to mine. And we're going to choose create wallet. I'm sure you could add these later. Okay, now I would highly recommend going through the backup now so that you have your backup phrase written down and then you can store it in a safe place. So we'll just start the backup. All right, and they're going to give us our recovery phrase words. There's going to be a total of 12 words, and the best thing to do is just get yourself a piece of paper. Write down 1 through 12, write the words down in order. All right, and then when you're done writing the words down, it's going to ask you to verify a couple of the words just to confirm that you have them. Okay, it only asked me to confirm 2 of the words. I guess that's enough. All right, and there we have our empty wallet. Now, if you're sending and receiving between people that you know, you can add them as contacts. Okay, and here you can receive collectibles. All right, so you can go to the marketplace, and if you see a collectible that you're interested in, you can hit buy. And then you can scan this QR code. If you're doing this on your computer, you can scan it with your phone, or if you're on the phone, you can choose click here. And it should allow you to switch over to this Enjin wallet. All right, and as you can see, I don't have enough funds in here. How do you get Enjin into this wallet? Let's figure that one out. All right, so I'm just going to tap Enjin here, and I'll choose receive funds. All right, and there's the address that if we had Enjin coin, we would send to this address, right? So in this case, I'll just hit copy address, and then I'm just going to email myself this address, right? Most of these apps have a share feature. I don't see it here. So I'm just going to email myself this address, and then I'll have access to it. All right, I'll send this off. I'll go ahead and open up this wallet so you guys can kind of keep an eye on what's going on. And now that I have that email on my computer, I'm just going to open up my Ledger Live. This is where I have some Enjin tokens. You could buy the Enjin tokens on an exchange and then withdraw them to your Enjin wallet address. I'm just going to move some that I already own. So I've got some Enjin coin here, right? And I will send, I don't know, let's go ahead and send 2,000. Now here's the address, right? The address of my Enjin phone-based wallet, right? So I'll just go over to my email. All right, there's the email. I'm just going to copy that email into my clipboard. All right, and then we'll go back to our Ledger Live and just paste that in there. That's the address of my Enjin wallet. I'll hit continue. And what did we say? About 2,000? We'll send 2,000 Enjin coin over there. We'll hit continue. And then we'll hit continue one more time. And now I need to confirm on my device. All right, so here I'm going to review my transaction. I'm sending 2,000 Enjin coin to this address. These are my fees, and I'll click accept and send. Let's just take a look at our phone and wait for the Enjin coin to come in. All right, and there you go. You can see that I now have the Enjin coin in my Enjin phone-based wallet, right? This is a wallet specifically designed to hold Enjin coin. It'll actually hold other coins too. And then, like I said, you could have just as easily gone to a cryptocurrency exchange to buy this Enjin. So there's the address of the Enjin wallet, right? I could have just gone over to, if we go to the CoinGecko page for Enjin, they should tell us where we can buy Enjin. It's available on Binance, Crypto.com, Binance US. All right, Bittrex. For those of us in the U.S., we probably won't be able to use Binance. You should be able to use Crypto.com. I'll go ahead and show you how Binance US would work. Very, very simple. All right, and just look up Enjin, E-N-J, right? Now you can trade for it. You'll need to buy some, right? As you can see, I have a small amount here. But we could trade for US dollars. So just load some US dollars in your Binance US account. And then you can buy some Enjin coin, right? And then when you do your withdrawal, once you have the Enjin coin in your account, you'll use that address from your Enjin-based wallet. So if we look here in the Enjin wallet, when we do the receive, see that's the address of the wallet, right? If we look over here, that's an ERC20 based wallet address, right? That's the address of our Enjin wallet on our phone, and then we would buy some Enjin on Binance US and use that address when we did our withdrawal, right? I don't know if it'll let me withdraw. It's a very small amount. Yeah, it's too small. That's just some dust, right? And we could do this with the Binance US app if we wanted to as well, which is on our phone. So in that case, it would be a little easier to go back and forth between the two phone-based applications. But just to get you started, now that I've got some Enjin in here, I could go over to the website. All right, so the get started and the sign up is more for the developers, right? Let's try the marketplace. We can just click explore the marketplace. I'll go ahead and try this Bitcoin key. It's not that expensive. You can check the price here on CoinGecko. So 199 Enjin coin is about 40 bucks. So I'll go ahead and give this one a try. All right, so I'm on the website. I can click buy, right? And then I can scan this QR code with my wallet. All right, so they have the scan QR. Okay. It's gonna need access to your camera, right? We'll just hold it up there. Holy cow. All right. So here's the deal. You're going to need to have some Ethereum in this wallet in order to pay that transaction fee. You'll notice the transaction fee is $31. That's quite a bit for something that costs $40. But in order to get some Ethereum in this wallet, we would do basically the same thing we did before. Let's go back out. And this time we're going to tap on ETH. And we'll do receive. And notice it's that same address. Because it's an Ethereum-based wallet, an ERC20-based wallet, the Enjin address is the same as the Ethereum address, right? So I don't really need to copy this and email it to myself. I can just go back over to my email, right? And just confirm that is the same address, right? Let's take a look there, right? It's the same address. Copy. We'll go over to the Ethereum part of the wallet and I'll do a send. All right, I'll paste in that same Ethereum address. I'll hit continue and I'm going to send about 50 bucks worth over, just in, you never know. We'll hit continue. All right, I'm going to need to confirm that on my device, just like I did the previous one. All right, so we're going to need to review the transaction. All right, there's the Ethereum amount. There's the address we're sending to. There's our fees. We'll click accept and send, and off it goes. Now, mind you, we could, like I said, we could do the same thing we did that I talked about before, just buy some Ethereum somewhere. So we could buy some Ethereum on Binance US and then do a withdrawal back to that same ERC20 based Ethereum wallet address, right? So I transferred some from a wallet that I already owned into my Enjin wallet. You could buy directly on a cryptocurrency exchange and withdraw to your Enjin wallet, right? Let's take a look over here. Let's go back. All right, now you can see that I have some Ethereum in the wallet, right? So we can go back to that same thing we were at before, right? There's that asset. All right, it's still waiting for me to pay, right? So I go back over here, all right, and then I'll use the hamburger menu in the top left corner there, and I'll choose scan QR code, and I'll go ahead and hold that up. All right, there's my purchase again. Whoo! Wow, the transaction fee just got higher. So, yeah. All right, so now I have the Ethereum for the transaction fee, and I have the Enjin for the asset, right? The asset has an Enjin-based price. So I'll go ahead and hit purchase asset. You want to take a hard, cold look at yourself in the mirror and decide whether you want to pay $47 transaction fee for something that costs $42. That's entirely up to you. I'll go ahead and bite the bullet for posterity. I'll go ahead and put this over here so you can kind of see better. Right, you can see purchase asset down there at the bottom of my phone. I'll tap that. All right, I need to enter my user password. All right, I'll hit confirm. There we go. Oh, that went through. I should see my balances go down. You can see the website has recognized that I'm purchasing the asset. All right, so we're going to have to wait for the purchase to get confirmed on the blockchain. Okay, so curiously enough, I just got an alert from the Enjin wallet that my purchase went through. It's been over a week. I'm hoping this won't happen to everyone, but for some reason, my transaction just got gummed up in the system, I guess. But I received an alert that the Bitcoin key had been successfully purchased. And like before, we were in the wallet interface here. If we go over to assets by hitting the hamburger menu, you can see now that they're sort of categorized by the platforms that you buy them from, right? Coin Codex was where I got this key from. And if I tap on that, I go inside and I can see my list of assets. In this case, I only have one. All right, you can take a look. And there it is. There's my first NFT using the Enjin wallet. And so I hold this key now. I believe it's one in a series, so it's not unique. There are one-of-a-kind assets and there are series assets. I believe this one is a series. And so I can sell it on their platform, or I can simply hold it. And it looks like I could even transfer it to a different wallet, which I'll probably save that for the next video. So there you go. The Enjin wallet set up on your phone. Put a little Enjin coin in there, put a little Ethereum in there for fees, and visit the marketplace, make a purchase, own your own NFTs. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.